Hello, my name is Paula and I'm a part of Team Brazil's engineering team. Today, I'm going to show you how to use CADLib, a CAD library developed by Team Brazil to the first Global Challenge teams. To access the library, first of all, open or create a document on Onshape. Then, navigate to an Assembly tab. Next, click on the Insert. In the Insert window, select Other Documents, and then go to the Public tab. This is where we'll search for the library components. To find parts from the library, search for Team Brazil in the search bar. Once you do that, you'll see all the public documents made available by the team. Now, to locate specific components from the library, we recommend using the first global bill of materials as reference. There, you can find information such as description, image, and have part number for each component. So copy the have part number of the component you want. Then, to insert into the document, repeat the same process. Insert other documents in public. So after that, paste the specific part number and type Team Brazil, so the component from our library appears in the search results. As you see, all files in the library follow a name convention that includes the part number and its description. One tip is to always load the assembly version of a component whenever it's available. This way, the part will be already inserted with the mates and connection properly configured. Simply, we have successfully added component to our Onshape document. And this is exactly the purpose of CADLib. The project was created to make the CAD process faster and more organized to first global teams. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding the library, feel free to contact Team Brazil at fgc.team.br@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you next time.